Alright, so requirements for changing a spark plug. First, you need your cupper, very important. As you can see, I've already had mine in preparation. You need your NGK spark plugs, if that's what your mate down the auto store tells you need. I'd have on hand a screwdriver, a little wrench, a few socket extenders, you know, as you need, just in case. But as it turns out, on the old Commodore engine, unnecessary. You see the spark plugs just down in here, running from this little aggregate here, each filtering down, V6 of course, through either side of the engine. Now these little units right here, you got to pull these bad boys off. Now these are what give the old spark to transfer to the engine, of course. And you can see the little white tip of it just down in there. Now, as I've discovered, the left side of the engine is far harder to work on than the right side. So we're going to do, as I think in all things in life, do the hard thing first, make another cupper, then come back and do the easy side. So we'll get this bad boy at the back out. Alright, talk to you in a minute. Here we are with the mighty fucking Commodore, changing the old spark plugs, fucking V6 3800 mate. Just a little turny turn on the old sparky plug. Oh, slipped out. Hey, it happens, you know, happens to the best of us. Get the old ratchet back in and give it a couple more turns. Just gentle, you know, you don't want to damage the thread. Just take your time. Just gentle, really gentle. Just a couple more turns. Alright, it's at this point you can probably take the ratchet out and just turn the old socket. It's nice and loose, you know, loosey-goosey. Bit of an awkward engine to work on. I wouldn't say my favourite, but you know, you got to do what you got to do as a mechanic. So just a few more turns, and luckily enough the socket head is magnetised, so this bad boy will just come right on out. Here we go, look. Oh, drop the bugger. Holy shit, that's not good. Hey. Alright, well I'm going to pause and try to retrieve that, but I'll come back to you, alright? Bye-bye. So we got the old Sparky out, and we got these new beautiful NGKs, new Sparkies. We're going to put this bad boy in the car. It's the same as taking it out, sorry, same thing, going back in. Just rest it in the little socket, and we'll find the little housing for the bad boy. Where is he going? Under those little cables in there. Bit of a shit of an engine to work on again. Fuck, where is it? Right, down in here. Alright, it's the same as going out, going back in. Gotta get in there. Like a woman, mate, you gotta find the hole. Alright. Right, where the fuck is it? Right, down the bottom there, right? Oh, slipped right on in. Beautiful. Alright, so my process is get it in there, get the thread making contact, turn it a few times to make sure it's actually in the hole. Okay. Just make sure, and yeah, you're good.